Before the appointment, lay out the tools and supplies you need in your work area. Put a piece of barrier film over the mirror palette so it's ready for the adhesive. When you're done, cleanup is easy. Just peel off the film and throw it away. Moisten a chamois sponge with distilled water and place it on a countertop or tray. Open the extensions containers and with the kit tweezers, take out approximately the number of extensions in the lengths and colors you need. We suggest using the curved tweezers to hold most of the extensions in the container, while you use the straight tweezers to pull out those you need. The damp sponge makes a perfect place to lay out the lash extensions you plan to use in the order you'll need them. The extensions will stay in place on the sponge even if the heating or air conditioning system is blowing. Once the client arrives, verify the look she wants to achieve based on your initial consultation. Go over the consent form and have the client sign it. Answer any questions she may have before you start. Have clients who wear contact lenses take them out before you begin. Attach a bib or drape to protect clothing. To keep the client's hair out of the way during the procedure, use a disposable bonnet or headband. When you're ready to begin the procedure, have the client lie on an aesthetic bed or sit in a comfortable chair with neck support. Make sure the client's natural lashes are perfectly clean and free of any makeup or oily makeup removers. Remember, the adhesive used to bond lash extensions to the client's natural lashes will not adhere properly if it comes in contact with any oil-based product. After removing the makeup, use the antibacterial cleanser that comes in the kit. Spray it on a cotton pad and, with the client's eyes closed, wipe the lashes. Dry the lashes when you're finished cleaning them. Avoid touching the clean lashes with your fingers. Oil from your skin could keep the adhesive from bonding properly. The Prima Diva Eyelash Extensions kits offer you a choice of methods for protecting the client's lower lashes and eyelids during the procedure. Most technicians use surgical tape or crescent-shaped under-eye pads. To use the surgical tape, measure and cut a strip long enough to cover the client's lower eyelid. Trim the tape to fit the curved shape of your client's lower lid. Gently put the tape in place so that the lower lashes are completely covered. To use the under-eye pads, apply a little petroleum jelly to the pad and hold it in place once you position it. Gently press the pad in place so that the lower lashes are completely covered. To make separating the lashes easier, use a 2-inch strip of tape to lift the upper eyelids slightly. First, gently attach one end of the tape to the client's upper eyelid. Pull the tape slightly to lift the client's upper lashes above the lower lashes. Secure the tape above the client's eyebrow. Make sure the client is comfortable before continuing. Next, using the combination brush and comb, separate the client's natural lashes to prepare them for the extensions. This also helps get rid of lashes that are ready to fall out. We recommend wearing a magnifying visor during the application procedure. Placing a single extension on a single natural lash is an exacting task. The better you can see, the better the quality of your work. To place the extension, squeeze 1 drop of adhesive onto a mirror palette or other smooth surface. With the straight tweezers, pick up a lash extension and dip it halfway to 2/3 of its length into the adhesive. Pick up a small droplet of adhesive with the base of the extension. Using the curved tweezers, separate a single natural lash from the lashes on either side. Use the extension to coat the natural lash with the adhesive by dragging the end of the extension with the adhesive droplet the full length of the natural lash. Be careful to avoid getting adhesive on the client's eyelids, and position the extension near the base of the natural lash. For the best support, position the extension on top of the natural lash, aligning the curl in the extension with the natural lash curl. The extension should be bonded to the natural lash completely along the length of the extension. Use the tweezers to close any gaps between the extension and the natural lash. The extension should be no more than double the length of the natural lash. Not happy with the placement? Just use the kit's adhesive remover and try again. To remove an extension, place a dry, full-sized cotton swab under the lash supporting the extension you want to remove. Dip a cotton mini swab or micro brush into the remover. Rub the extension and the natural lash gently with the remover until the adhesive is dissolved and the extension falls free from the natural lash. Before you apply another extension, clean the natural lash with the disinfectant, dry the lash, and try again. To finish the procedure, with the extensions correctly placed, dry the adhesive for about 3 to 5 minutes using the fan that comes in the kit. Make sure the adhesive is completely dry to clear away any fumes that may cause discomfort. Different technicians have different opinions about the best sequence to follow when attaching lash extensions. Some like to begin in the center and work their way outward, while others work from inside out or outside in. Whatever sequence you prefer, leave some space between the new extension and the last one you applied. That gives the adhesive time to dry and helps keep the extensions from sticking together. You can always go back and fill in with more extensions. Some technicians prefer to complete one eye before starting the other. We recommend alternating between eyes as you add each extension. That way, you can be sure you're using the same number and lengths of extensions in the same position.